Thanks to incredible heat sealing performance and great transparency, cast film has been growing in popularity as a composite packaging material in the packaging industry. Xinhuida is a professional manufacturer of cast film and stretch film manufacturing machines. We specialize in the cast film co-extrusion process, as well as the research and development, production, sales, and servicing of cast film lines. According to the production requirements submitted by customers, we can customize single, double, 3, and other multi-layer cast film lines. In addition to high-quality equipment, we also provide customers with any information related to the industry during our pre-sale and after-sale services. Our dedicated after-sales service team has extensive technological experience thanks to years of intensive work in this industry. After the customer receives our equipment, our after-sales service team will provide on-site installation, commissioning, and training to ensure the operators can safely and effectively use and maintain the machinery. We have provided professional after-sales services for hundreds of customers and companies in more than 64 countries and regions around the world. In order to satisfy the performance requirements of customers for stretch film and cast film lines, Xinhuida has established large-scale, modern manufacturing workshops with an area of 30,000 square meters. These facilities give us the manufacturing strength to maximize product quality in each production step. The semi-finished products warehouse is operated under a procedural management system. It is used to store components used in our cast film or stretch film equipment. This allows us to significantly reduce the production cycle for cast film lines and ensure on-time delivery. XHD chews famous thickness gauge device with Scantech French brand. Customer can control the film thickness very well. The machining precision of components and parts has a direct influence on the installation and stability of the equipment. With this in mind, we implement high-precision CNC machining equipment to process the long axles, rollers, and other high-precision parts, guaranteeing processing precision and greatly shortening the component process cycle. It also provides an added layer of quality assurance for the finished products. By strictly adhering to strict assembly standards, all qualified components are assembled into the designated position by skilled and experienced technicians. Our electrical engineers will assemble the control cabinet according to specified customer requirements. Afterwards, software engineers will design strict control programs for each action to guarantee the reliable and superior performance. Xinhuida has been granted ISO 9001, CE, 3C, and other international certificates. We have set up offices in India, Turkey, Thailand, South Africa, Peru, Russia, and other countries and regions. We have also established a sales network covering the United States, Russia, Spain, and more than 60 other countries. We look forward to cooperating with more customers from all over the world. Thank you. As a professional casting film production equipment enterprise, we can provide customers equipment with high automation, high production efficiency, and low comprehensive energy consumption for greater added value. This machine designed for producing 3-layer or 5-layer cast film thanks to equipped 3 screws. This machine designed for producing single or double-sided adhesive 3 or 5 layers co-extrusion film. This machine designed for producing 3 or 5 layer co-extruded CPP film, CEVA film, and high barrier films. This machine designed for producing TPU coating and lamination film. To date, we have provided nearly 5,000 sets of casting film production equipment for customers in more than 60 countries around the world. Our equipment has been widely used for medical supplies, sanitary materials, construction, daily supplies, automotive supplies, and new composite materials and other fields.